Good evening, YouTube. Hey man, you want to learn professional handwriting? Do you want tutorial how to write properly and how to write proper English? Jumes the right hand man. If you want to learn the proper words and how to write like Jumes, here it goes. So my logo, Jumes. So Jumes is gonna be Jumes. J U N E S. See, you made the curve and you put a U, Jumes, and Jumes World. So we're gonna make world now. So world is gonna be like this, world. See, make a good loop on the O. And you come down, you put a stripe, put a long line like hangman, go, then you come around like a rainbow, see? Or, then you make a nice little L, then D, Jumes World, and my gamer name is Jumes, so amazing. So let's spell Jumes amazing. And we're going to write it perfectly. So, Jumes so amazing. Jumes so awesome. That's the word. Jumes so awesome. So, let's go. Jumes so awesome. C, J, U. Then you make a nice M. See? Straight up M. E, see, comes slow, E, S, just like the top, Jumes, then you're gonna make a so you're gonna make it like a snake, S, O, oh damn, my Sharpie about to die, awesome now, we're gonna misspell, we're gonna write awesome, there we go. Let's write awesome. A W E S O M E. Yay! So there it is. Jumes World, Jumes so awesome. Alright guys, that's the right way to write.